Question number 7. Prove that sin theta sin pi by 3 minus theta sin pi by 3 plus theta is equal to 1/4 sin 3 theta. आपको पता है टेक्स्ट बुक में ज़्यादा एग्जाम्पल प्रैक्टिस के लिए नहीं है, इसलिए हम ये सब एक्स्ट्रा एग्जाम्पल सॉल्व कर रहे हैं अभी। और ये पूरा हो जाने के बाद हम टेक्स्ट बुक का सब ऑल एग्जाम्पल सॉल्व कर लेंगे, है ना? हाँ चलो, तो ये दिया है 1 2 3 फंक्शन दिया है और हमें आंसर लाना है 1/4 sin 3 थीटा, राइट? सो मल्टीप्लिकेशन में साइन फंक्शन है तो कौन सी फॉर्मूला अप्लाई होगी? 2 sin a sin b फॉर्मूला अप्लाई होगी। सो अप्लाई करेंगे वो फॉर्मूला, पहले लिखते हैं 2 sin a sin b फॉर्मूला यहाँ पे अप्लाई करेंगे। 2 sin a sin b क्या आंसर आता है? cos a minus b minus cos a plus b। सो cos a minus b minus cos a plus b, ये इसका आंसर आता है, वो आपको पता है, राइट? So apply this formula, 2 sin a sin b is equal to this. Got it? Now, also we need 2 here, but there is no 2. So divide and multiply while we are writing left hand side. So ये काम एक साथ में कर लेते हैं पहले कि divide and multiply by 2. So divide किया और multiply by 2 से कर लिया और we are taking this both together and keeping this as a separate, right? So 1/2 sin theta as it is, and now 2 times, now bigger angle is pi by 3 plus theta. This is pi by 3 minus, minus means less. So this is pi by 3 plus theta. So I am writing this angle first. So sin pi by 3 plus theta into sin pi by 3 minus theta. So now this is 2 sin a sin b. So applying this formula, we will get 1/2 sin theta, right? 2 sin a sin b. So answer is cos a minus b. So this minus this. So pi by 3 plus theta. And if we multiply this by minus, this plus become minus and minus become plus. So minus pi by 3 plus theta. So minus pi by 3 plus theta, right? Minus cos a plus b, that is cos a means this as it is, and plus means write this as it is, pi by 3 minus theta. Okay, got it? 2 sin a sin b is cos a minus b. So this minus this, if you multiply by minus, plus become minus and minus become plus, right? Minus cos this plus this, a plus b. So this pi by 3 will cut, theta theta will be cut. So remaining will be is equal to 1/2 sin theta. This is theta plus theta, that is 2 theta. So we get cos 2 theta minus this is pi by 3 plus pi by 3, that is 2 pi by 3. So answer is cos 2 pi by 3. Answer is cos 2 pi by 3, right? Now multiplying this, so we get 1/2. This is bigger angle, so I am writing first cos 2 theta into sin theta minus, this is minus, so this is minus 1/2 sin theta into this is cos. Now we don't know the formula value of this, so this is pi minus pi by 3 because 3 1s are 3. This is 1 less, so pi minus pi by 3, right? Again 2 cos a sin b formula, but there is no 2, so divide and multiply by 2 because we are going to apply this formula, 2 cos a sin b. So we need 2 here, so here is no 2, so divide and multiply by 2. So this become, this is 1/2, right? Square I am writing here, right? Because already one, okay, if you don't understand then I am writing here 1/2 and this is 2 cos 2 theta into sin theta. So divide and multiply by 2, right? Now answer of this 2 cos a sin b. Cos first means sin minus sin. So answer of this is sin a plus b minus sin a minus b. This is the answer. So minus 1/2 sin theta. Okay. By mistake, I write by using color chalk. Now sin cos pi minus theta. Cos pi minus theta. Pi is here. Minus in second quadrant. In second quadrant, cos is negative. So answer is minus cos pi by 3 has no change. Now 2 cos A sin B. So applying this formula, we will get left hand side is equal to 1 upon 4. Now 2 cos A sin B. 2 cos A sin B is sin A plus B. That is sin A plus B. Sin 2 plus 1 is sin 3 theta. Right? Minus sin A plus B minus sin A minus B. That is 2 theta minus theta. That is 1 theta. So minus sin theta. Okay? And this is minus. And this is minus. So minus minus plus. So this is plus 1 upon 2 sin theta, and this is cos pi by 3, cos 60. Cos 60 is 1 upon 2. So answer is 1 upon 2. Right? So this will be multiplied by this 1 upon 4 sin 3 theta minus 1 upon 4 sin theta plus 1 upon 2 into 1 upon 2 is 1 upon 4. So this is 1 upon 4 sin theta. So this 1 upon 4 sin theta, this 1 upon 4 will be cut. So answer will be 1 upon 4 sin 3 theta, and that is what you want to prove. So this is your right hand side which you want to prove. So this is proof. This is proof. Right? So remember this as a result. Right? So note down in your formula set. That is a 4 sin theta into sin pi by 3 minus theta into sin pi by 3 plus theta is equal to sin 3 theta. Is equal to sin 3 theta. Right? I am taking 4 to here. So 4 sin theta, sin pi by 3 minus theta, sin pi by 3 plus theta is sin 3 theta. Right? So this is a very useful result. Got it? For example, if I give you a question 4 sin 18 degree into sin 42 degree into sin 72 degree is equal to what? 4 sin 18 degree into sin 42 degree into sin 72 degree is equal to what is the answer? That is your question. Right? So these type of formulas are very important for competitive exam, right? Because you are going to appear in 2022 for JEE, right? So this type of formula very important. Otherwise you have to solve like this, right? आपको टाइम कितना जाएगा वो आप देखो. तो आपको यदि ये फॉर्मूला पता है कि sin थीटा है, so pi by 3 minus theta, that is 60 minus theta. So suppose this is my theta. Then 60 minus theta, that is 18, is 42, and 60 plus 18, sorry, 60 plus 18, so I have to write 78 here. So 78, right? So this is sin theta. Theta is what here? So theta is 18 degree. Theta is 18 degree here. So 18, 60 minus 18, 42, and 60 plus 18 is 78. So answer will be sin 3 theta. So answer will be sin 3. Theta is 18. So this means sin 72 degree is your correct answer. Got it? तो आपको ये ऐसे याद रखना है. और एक आपको दिक्कत आई यहाँ पे, ये दिखाता हूँ मैं. आपके पास ऐसा एंगल जो है फर्स्ट, सेकंड, थर्ड, फोर्थ क्वाड्रेंट में पाई बाई 3, पाई बाई 4 और पाई बाई 6 क्या होता है, इसके लिए मैं आपको ये दिखाता हूँ. मुझे ये साफ करना होगा तो मैं साफ करके आपको दिखाता हूँ. ओके, सो वंस अगेन आपके लिए आपका फ्रेंड हाजिर है, यूनिट सर्कल, राइट? सो नाउ फाइंड आउट दिस टाइप ऑफ आंसर्स, that is cos 2 pi by 3, 4 pi by 3, 7 pi by 3, pi by 6, 5 pi by 6, 7 pi by 6, 11 pi by 6, right? So this type of question you have to remember this unit circle. You have to remember this unit circle, right? First quadrant as it is. Understand first. Fourth quadrant, what fourth quadrant represent? first quadrant as it is. Okay, then I will explain what is the meaning of as it is. Now second quadrant, 1 less than the denominator means your numerator will be 1 less than the denominator. Third quadrant, 1 more than the denominator, that is numerator, right? If you want to write here, then you can write here also, numerator is 1 more than less than the denominator. Here you can write numerator is 1 more than denominator, and here also you can write numerator is 1 less than double of the denominator. Okay, so remember this thing, first quadrant as it is, 1 less, I am only saying 1 less, मैं आपको यही बता रहा हूँ, इतना ही याद रखो, आपको ये पता चल गया ना, न्यूमरेटर जो है वो डिनोमिनेटर से 1 लेस चाहिए, थर्ड क्वाड्रेंट में न्यूमरेटर जो है वो डिनोमिनेटर से 1 ज्यादा चाहिए, और इसमें डबल से 1 लेस चाहिए, इतना याद रखना है. सो फर्स्ट क्वाड्रेंट एज इट इज, सेकंड क्वाड्रेंट 1 लेस, थर्ड क्वाड्रेंट 1 मोर, and fourth quadrant 1 less of double, right? For example, if we take, I am taking this angle first, pi by 3. So pi by 3 means your standard angle, you have to remember your standard angle is pi by 3, pi by 6 and pi by 4, right? So I am going this value for only 3 angles, pi by 3, pi by 4 and pi by 6. Okay, so pi by 3. Now in second quadrant this become 1 less than the denominator. Denominator is 3. 1 less, numerator is 1 less, that is 2. So here answer will be 2 pi by 3. Got it? 2 pi by 3. Now third quadrant, 1 more. 1 more means 1 more than the 3 is 4 pi by 3. So here you will get 4 pi by 3. And here 1 less than double. Double of 6 is 5, double of 3 is 6. Double of 3 is 6. And 1 less, that is 5. So this is your 5 pi by 3. Got it? Pi by 3 as it is first quadrant. Second, 1 less, that is 2 pi by 3. So now you have to remember this thing. This is 2 pi by 3. 1 less of the denominator, that is second quadrant. This is 1 more, that is this 4 pi by 3 lies in third quadrant. And this is double of 1 less. 1 less of double, that is 5 pi by 3 lies in fourth quadrant, right? So writing this value directly minus half here, this value, if you want to write this directly without writing this all step, this is you have the procedure to do. आपको ये करना है, शॉर्टकट्स दिखा रहा हूँ टाइम सेविंग के लिए. तो क्या करना है, देखो ये cos 2 pi by 3 था, तो 2 pi by 3 में स्टैंडर्ड एंगल कौन सा है, pi by 3 is the standard angle here. Okay, so now decide cos pi by 3. Cos 60 is half. Cos 60 is half. Keep in your mind. Now remove your hand. It is 2. That is, this is lies in second quadrant. And in second quadrant, cos is plus or negative. Negative. So your answer is minus half. Directly here, minus half. Because we multiply this minus there, so they become plus. Got it? Got it? क्या करना है? First, see which one is your standard angle. Observe. Pi by 3 is your standard angle. So pi by 3 means cos pi by 3. Answer of cos pi by 3 is half. Okay, take it granted. आपको याद रह गया cos half है. Sorry, cos का 2 pi by 3 का वैल्यू half आया, वो याद रहेगा. Now check in which quadrant. So 1 less than the denominator, that is second quadrant, and in second quadrant cos is negative. So answer of this is minus, right? Suppose you are given cos 4 pi by 3. See, cos 4 pi by 3. Then cos pi by 3 is your standard angle. This is not required. Cos pi by 3 standard angle. So cos pi by 3 value is half, you know. Now this is 1 more than the denominator, means third quadrant. In third quadrant cos is again negative. So answer of this is minus. Instead of doing this exercise, this is pi plus pi by 3. I am saying you to write directly. ये कुछ लिखने से अच्छा ये directly करो, यही है और कुछ नहीं है, मगर ये शॉर्टकट दिखा दिया मैंने, right? So this is for pi by 3. Now suppose pi by 6 as it is. So in second quadrant pi by 6 become 1 less. that is 5 pi by 6. In third quadrant, one more, that is 7 pi by 6. And fourth quadrant, one less of double, that is 12 minus 1 is 11 pi by 6. So answer is 11 pi by 6. And suppose it's given pi by 4, right? So this method is applicable for these three angles only, pi by 3, pi by 6 and pi by 4. So pi by 4, one less, then this becomes 3 pi by 4. One more, that is 5 pi by 4, and one less of double, that is 8 minus 1 is 7 pi by 4, right? And suppose your question is like this, suppose you want to find out the value of sine 7 pi by 4. So which is the standard angle? Pi by 4. Sine pi by 4 is 1 upon root 2. This is your answer. Now 7 pi by 4, 1 less than the double, that is fourth quadrant, and in fourth quadrant sign is negative, so answer is minus. Got it? Suppose your question is tan 7 pi by 6. Tan 7 pi by 6. So which is the standard angle? Pi by 6. Pi by 6 is the standard angle. So tan pi by 6. Tan pi by 6 is 1 upon root 3. Okay, so 1 upon root 3. Now 7 pi by 6, 1 more than the denominator, that is third quadrant, and in third quadrant tan is positive, so answer is 1 upon root 3, right? So keep in mind, remember this, note down this in your formula set also, right? List of formula, note down this also, this result also, okay? So you will be get benefit of this in competitive exam. So keep in mind, आपको ये याद रखना है सब, राइट? तो आप इजीली, आसानी से, विदाउट वेस्टिंग अ टाइम एग्जाम्पल सॉल्व कर सकते हैं. देखो, ये वैल्यू के लिए मुझे ये पूरा स्टेप 2 टाइम्स रिपीट करना पड़ा. यदि मैं यहाँ से ये जानता 2 cos 2 pi by 3, that is cos pi by 3. Cos pi by 3 is cos 60, that is half, and this is 1 less, that is in second quadrant. So I am writing directly minus 1 upon 2 here, and I am getting the answer here. So we get 2 more steps. And writing for this, only for these 2 steps, means you have to write all remaining step also, all terms also, so you can wasting a time. तो आपको टाइम बचाना है, तो आपको ये ऐसे करना पड़ेगा, right? Otherwise you can solve from here. So also remember this formula, okay? Sorry, ये फॉर्मूला रह गई थी, तो आपको भी लिस्ट में ऐड कर देना है. हमने ये सीखा 4 sin थीटा sin pi by 3 minus theta sin pi by 3 plus theta is sin 3 theta, right? So similarly, instead of sin, if cos is given, for cos theta cos pi by 3 minus theta cos pi by 3 plus theta, then your answer will be also cos 3 theta. So if it is in cos, answer is cos 3 theta. In sin, answer is sin 3 theta. Sometimes it is given like this also, sin theta sin pi by 3 minus theta cos sin pi by 3 plus theta is 1 upon sin 1 upon 4 sin 3 theta, like that, right? So note down this formula also in your list.